Democracy. Dies in Darkness was a slogan taken up by the Washington Post in 2017 in response to their concerns for democracy at the beginning of Donald J. Trump's first term. It questionably augmented this slogan with "Riveting Storytelling for All Americans" at the start of Donald J. Trump's second term. We hope the newspaper tells a good story why Congress met at 1 a.m. on major legislation that 75% of Americans are against and put our children and grandchildren further and further in debt.